in here I'm supposed to use the sour cream, but I found the natural yogurt being okay, it's way cheaper than the sour cream, so I decided to go with the natural yogurt. So guys, let me tell you, I saw that recipe somewhere. I said I have to try because I had that macaroni, I had cheese, I had eggs, onions and tomatoes, but penye niliona alitumia the springs onions, you know zile onions the spring, the green ones ndizo alitumia, but I didn't have those ones. I had just to use hizi tu zenye nilikuwa nazo. So that cheese, let me talk about that cheese. Now I will post that video, by the way. That cheese, it's homemade. I made that cheese with vinegar na maziwa. If you have tried that, you know what I mean. That cheese, it's homemade. As you can see, the thing was okay. I don't know what I can even call that thing. Sijui kama ni snack, kama ni pizza, ama ni nini. I don't know what I don't know the name that I can give it, but I just made it because I had the ingredients. They were all here in my house, so nikasema badala ya kukaa hivyo idle. For me, I love cooking like wow, mimi napenda kupika, especially trying new recipes. I love it. So that cheese is not cheesing, yani it's not giving, but the thing, it's sweet. Ebu munisaidia kupea jina. I even don't know what I can call it. It's sweet. But the cheese inakataa kucheese. Msimnaona haijajivuruta hivi venye inafaa kujivuruta. You know the cheese inafaa jivuruta hivi. Haijajivuruta kama ile ya pizza. Haijajivuruta, but I think I tried my best. Next time I'm gonna try the cheese ya duka, you know, just from the company, not homemade. I'm gonna try that one, and then I'm gonna also try with the onion springs. Na pia if you like, pia unaweka dania, some carrots, you know, a lot of things, and then you can also grate some broccoli na uweke, but I just decided to do with whatever I had. So munisaidie kupea hiyo kitu jina. I don't know the name that I can give it. Sijui kabisa. Mi nikasema badala ya kutupa cheese nipike that thing. Yeah, because hiyo cheese I think iko na how many months kwa fridge. I made it, it's not even this year, by the way. I made it I think last year December ndo nitengeneza hiyo cheese. Thank God haijaniharibikia, like nimekula. I didn't give my baby. Sitaki as always my cheese and whatever. I didn't give him. Nimekula hiyo kitu yote peke yangu because as you can see it's the next day, na ndo nimeikula lunch leo na nilikula pia jana na ikanipeleka poa. So the cheese was okay because ilikuwa kwa freezer for all those days, imekuwa kwa freezer. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please consider subscribing for more videos and content, you know, cooking, lifestyle, traveling.